In the second part of section 7.4, we're going to use the substitution strategy to solve systems that are based on word problems. So in this example, Alexia invested $1,800, part at an annual interest rate of 3.5% and another part at an annual interest rate of 4.5%. After 1 year, the total interest was $73, and the question is asking how much did Alexa invest at each rate? So the first thing when we do these questions is we want to start with our let statements, and our let statements basically answer the question. So we're going to let X equal the amount invested at 3.5%, and Y is going to equal the amount invested at 4.5%. So now in total, she invested $1,800. So if I take X plus Y, that's going to equal 1,800. There's my first equation in my system. Now the second equation talks about the interest earned. Well, she earned $73 interest. So part of it, the amount invested at X gained 3.5%. So if I multiply 3.5% by X, I get 0.035X. We always change our percent to a decimal. And 4.5% times Y is 0.045Y. And that equals the amount of interest earned, which is $73. So now, to get rid of my decimals here, I'm going to times this all by 1,000. So I get 35X plus 45Y is going to equal 73,000. So there's my second equation. So I'm going to be working with this equation and this equation. So now I can isolate either X or Y in this first equation. So if I take this first equation here, I can say X is equal to 1,800 minus Y. So in place of X here, I can put 1,800 minus Y. So 35 times 1,800 minus Y plus 45Y is equal to 73,000. Distributing the 35 times 1,800 is going to be 63,000 minus 35Y plus 45Y equals 73,000. Subtracting the 63,000 to the other side, I get 10,000. Collecting Y's here, I get 10Y. And if I divide both sides by 10, I'm going to get Y equals 1,000. So now I can find X. And we have the equation that X plus Y is equal to 1,800. And Y was 1,000, so X plus 1,000 is 1,800. If I subtract, I get 800 as X. So now, because this is the word problem, we write a final statement. So we would say Alexia invested $800 at 3.5% and $1,000 at 4.5%. Okay, there's a few questions from the textbook that are similar to that example, so give those a try and see how you do.